Angle-molar relation. A malocclusion is a misalignment or incorrect relation between the teeth of the two dental arches when they approach each other as the jaws close. Edward Angle, who is considered the father of modern orthodontics, was the first to classify malocclusion. He based his classifications on the relative position of the permanent maxillary first molar. Angle believed that the antero-posterior dental base relationship could be assessed reliably from first permanent molar relationship as its position remained constant following eruption. Angle class. One molar relation, also called neutro-occlusion. Molar relationship. The messiobuccal cusp of the maxillary first permanent molar occludes with the messiobuccal groove of the mandibular first permanent molar. Angle class. 2 molar relation. This relationship shows the messiobuccal groove of mandibular. First molar is distally positioned with the messiobuccal cusp of maxillary first molar. Usually, the messiobuccal cusp of maxillary first molar rests in between the first mandibular molar and second premolar. Angle class. 3 molar relation. The messiobuccal cusp of the maxillary first permanent molar occludes distally to the messiobuccal groove of the mandibular first molar.